5 Creative Garden Container Ideas. 1. Chair planters. Think twice if you want to throw away the old useless chairs in your house. You can make a beautiful flowered or planter on an old chair by simply removing the attached seat to place the pot in the hole. This is the simplest yet creative garden container idea, because all you need to do is to choose the correct size of the pot that fits the empty seat frame. You can also repaint the chair to get a much more spectacular result. 2. Hanging boot planters. There will come a time when your feet can no longer fit your favorite pair of boots. But if you can't throw them away, why not put them to another use? Add some potting soil and plant your favorite greenery inside your boots to make a creative hanging garden container. 3. Children's toys planters. Toy carts and trucks make a great choice for small gardens. They are practical and can be found anywhere, especially if you have kids at home. Plant away succulents, edible plants, or colorful flowers. These planters are a completely unexpected and fun way to brighten up your house. 4. Old suitcase planters. Give a new life to the dusty vintage suitcases sitting unused in your storage room. If you want to use the whole suitcase as a planter, you need to drill holes for drainage before adding soil and plants in it. As an alternative, you can also put potted cactus or succulents in the case and improve the look with decorative pebbles. 5. Teacup planters. The last creative garden container ideas can be done by using teacup planters. These planters are a perfect option if you don't have enough outdoor space or if you are looking for simple indoor decorations. One of the perks of using small-sized garden containers is that you can theme the planters by picking a certain teacup style and even theme the plants. You may plant scented plants as aromatherapy for your living room and veggies for the kitchen. Don't forget to drill holes in the teacups for drainage.